In other news, during President Trump's address to Congress, he revealed he'd been sent a conciliatory message from Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, saying he is ready to come to the negotiating table and sign a deal to provide the U.S. access to Ukraine's rare earth minerals and other resources. This comes just days after Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance berated Zelensky in the Oval Office and after Trump ordered the suspension of all U.S. military aid to Ukraine. Okay, I apologize for the interruption of the news. We have an alert coming in. Stand by with us here on WDONAM. We'll be back after the alert.
Local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of Sevier County Emergency Management Agency. Multiple brush fires have been reported across Sevier County. Evacuation orders have been issued for portions of Bluff Mountain near Tower Road and Pittman Center at West Mountain near Hickey Road, Laurel Creek Road, and Okapi Hollow Road. High winds will continue for the next several hours. If you see flames or smoke, call 911. For the latest information on wildfire locations and evacuation orders, go to www.savirima.org.
All right, we're back. If you're just tuning in or listening, this is WDONAM. We've received some breaking news regarding some reports of brush fires out of Sevier County. Evacuation orders have been issued for the county as well. Anyone residing in the county and looking for the latest information on wildfire locations and evacuation orders, please go to www.cvrima.org. And if you see flames or smoke, please contact your emergency services or dial 911.